Welcome to all. I am Megha Katare, student of JNKVV College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today I am here to discuss about my topic hybrid seed production in tomato under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Botanical description: scientific name Lycopersicum esculents, family Solanaceae, chromosome number 2n equals to 24, origin Peru. Tomato is a tropical day neutral plant. It requires temperature to 15 to 20 degrees Celsius for fruit setting. Tomato is a self-pollinated crop. Self-fertilization is favored by the position of receptive stigma within the cone anthers and the normal pendant position of the flower. Method of seed production: seed to seed. Stages of seed production: breeder seed, foundation seed 1, foundation seed 2, certified seed. Variety: Panth hybrid 10, Arka Brandan, Arka Avijit, Rupali, Panth hybrid 2, Panth hybrid 1 4, Navel 1 and 2, Sonali, Arka Shrestha. Season: May June and November December. Land requirement: selection of suitable land for tomato seed production is important, where the previous crop should not be the same variety to avoid the contamination due to the volunteer plant. Seed rate for hybrid: male parent 25 gram per hectare, female parent 100 gram per hectare. Nursery: sow the seed is raised nursery bed of 20 cm height in rows of 5 cm gap and covered with sand. 8 and 10 nursery beds with the sufficient to transplant 1 acre. Apply 2 kg of DAP 10 days before pulling out of seedling. Transplanting: transplanting should be done with the seedling at 20 to 25 days old, preferably at the evening time. Spacing is 60 into 45 cm, 90 into 60 cm for female parent of hybrid, 60 into 45 cm for male parent of hybrid. Manuring: after thorough preparation of a field to fine tilth, apply 25 tons of FYM per hectare. Apply 100:100:100 kg of NPK per hectare, of which 50% of the nitrogen is applied. Planting ratio for hybrid seed production: the female and male parent are normally planted in the ratio of 12:1 or 12:2. Harvesting: the fruit are harvested after fully matured of the fruit. When turn turn into the red fruit from first and last one or two harvest should not to be used for seed. Method of extraction of seed: fruits from in between 6 to 7 harvests should be used for seed extraction. Before seed extraction, fruit are to be graded for true to type. It is important to choose proper method of seed extraction as it impact on seed viability. There are three methods of seed extraction. First, acid method of seed extraction. Second, fermentation method. Third, alkali method. Drying, grading, and storage. Drying and grading: seeds are to be dried in the shade. It should never be dried in hot sun. The safe moisture content of the seeds for grading is 8 to 9%. Seeds can be graded using 6x64 round perforated sieve. Storage: the seed dried to save moisture content after treating either with Captain or Thyram at the rate 2 gram per kg, can be stored for 12-15 months in moisture vapor previous containers, while it can be stored in moisture vapor proof containers for 30 months. Hybrid seed production. Emasculation and dusting. Emasculation is done before the anther are mature and the stigma has become receptive to minimize accidental self-pollination. The emasculation is generally done in the evening between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. One day before the anther are expected to dehisce or mature and the stigma is likely to become fully receptive. Emasculate the bud by hand with the help of needle and forceps. Remove the calyx, corolla, and staminal column or anther, leaving gynosium, that is stigma still intact in the flower. Emasculated flowers should be covered immediately with red color paper cover to protect against contamination from foreign pollen and also for easy identification of emasculated bud during dusting. Remove the red paper cover of the emasculated bud and dust the pollen gently over the stigmatic surface using cotton or camel brush, etc. After dusting, the emasculated flowers are again covered with white or other color paper cover for 2 to 3 days. Pollen collected from male flower can be used for dusting to 5 to 7 emasculated flowers. Importance of hybrid seed production. Increase yield. Hybrid tomato often produce larger and more abundant fruit compared to open pollinated varieties. Enhanced qualities. Hybrid can exhibit improved taste, texture, shell life, and nutritional content. Disease resistant. Hybrid vigor can increase tolerance to common tomato disease and pests. Principle of hybrid seed production. Parent line selection. Identify genetically distinct parent plant with desirable traits. Controlled pollination. Carefully emasculate flowers and cross pollinated by hand. Seed harvesting. Collect and process the hybrid seed for maximum vigor and purity. Quality assurance. Implement rigorous testing and certification to ensure seed quality. Emasculation and pollination techniques. Flower identification. Recognize the ideal stage of flower development for emasculation. Emasculation. Carefully remove the male anther from the female flowers to prevent self pollination. Controlled pollination. Transfer pollen from the male parent to the female flowers using a camel hair brush. Seed harvesting and processing. Fruit maturation allow the hybrid fruit to full ripen on the plant. Seed extraction carefully extract the seed from the ripe tomato fruits. Seed drying dry the extracted seed to the optimal moisture content. Seed cleaning remove debris and sort the seeds for high purity. Certification of seed. Number of inspection. A minimum of 3 inspections shall be made as follows. The first inspection shall be made before flowering or order to verify isolation, volunteer plant and other relevant factor. The second inspection shall be made during flowering to check isolation of types and true relevant factor. The third inspection shall be made at maturity and prior to harvesting to verify true nature of plant and other relevant factor. Thank you.